In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to download audio or recordings from Messenger on mobile. Ensure that you're using mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. This trick won't work on Wi-Fi networks. Skip the Messenger app and open your mobile browser. In the browser's address bar, type free.facebook.com and load the page. Log in using your Facebook username and password. Once logged in, tap on the Messages tab located in the top navigation, right below the search box. Locate and open the message containing the audio clip you wish to download. The audio clip will appear as a link with .mp4 at the end of the link name. Click on this link to open the audio file. Just note that downloading the audio will consume data. Proceed by clicking the download option and wait for the download to complete. And once it is finished, you can find the audio file in MP4 format in your browser's download manager. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.